So, with investors still cautious and traders skeptical that the optimism can be sustained amid doubts about China's economic growth, how can investors know if the market is in for a longer-term bounce back or positioned for a prolonged pullback? Dominic Chu navigates it for us.
To buy or not to buy, that is the question. Many stock market investors are trying to figure out if the recent volatility is a reason to stay in or get out of the action. There are a number of reasons why the stock market rally could march on despite the recent sell-off. Some experts point to lower oil and gasoline prices as being beneficial to consumers. Others say that the relative value of stocks is now more attractive given the pullback. But it may be too much to expect massive gains for stocks in the coming months.
You have corporate earnings that, although the rate of growth has slowed, are still growing. You have, regardless of what the Fed does, you still have historically easy money. And you have a properly sloped yield curve. So you generally don't see bear markets start with those characteristics. So I think money can be made in stocks. I just don't know if you're going to see the stock market returns we've seen the last 6 years or so going forward.
Of course, for all the bullish commentary, there are still reasons for caution as well. Those same lower commodity prices could take a bite out of energy company profits. There are also global economic risks, especially from China, that could continue to be a drag. And of course, there's the Fed and interest rate policy.
If the Fed doesn't raise rates, then it could signal to the economy or to the markets that they're worried that something systematic could be problematic for the economy. So I think it'd be far better if the Fed just gets on with it. The world is never going to be puppy dogs and rainbows.
One thing is more certain. The market volatility has given people a reason to think about their portfolios and what kinds of investments are appropriate given each person's tolerance for all the ups and all the downs. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.